Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and on this gloriously sunny day here in central North Carolina, Zone 7, I am going to get some additional native grasses planted in this tiny little utility bed. Now, we got some of the native shrubs placed in here 2 weeks ago, and I decided that I really needed to go ahead and get some of the ground plane, herbaceous ground plane plants installed while it's super wet and it's still relatively cool. That way I won't really have to work hard to get these plants established. So I've got some cool things, including juncus. Let's see. I have two varieties of muley grass. I have a couple varieties of carex, and I think I have a chasmanthium in here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get busy getting these landscape plugs from Hoffman Nursery installed right now. So I decided I needed a couple more carex just to fill out the front of this border. So I have 3 more carex cherokeensis and 3 carex lorita. And then I have the muskingensis right here, chasmanthium, I think white muley, white cloud muley there, pink muley there, and the juncus blue arrows behind this center sumac. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these done, and then in the coming weeks, I will continue to put more plants in here. I really want to get some spreading perennials that will act essentially as ground covers that also flower. So be sure to tune in as I continue to make progress here at the Carolina Garden House, planting an all North American natives landscape.